Oh shit. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Well, today we're gonna be doing a Q&A because I know a lot of you guys want to know about me, and there's a lot of new subscribers coming in. So I'm just gonna give you guys a quick, not quick, but you know, like a Q&A about me, about the Z, and whatever you guys want to do. I did do a poll on IG, so like whatever you guys have of questions, I'm gonna ask them. So yeah. All right, so first question is, someone asked me how old I am. I'm 21. I'm turning 22 in May 8th. So yeah, which is like in 2 months. All right, so someone else asked me is, how much did I get my Z for, and with how many miles? And thank you very much. And I got my Z for 15K, and it had 30,000 miles. It was garage kept, so that kind of like made me kind of buy the car, because I was looking for an HR, and then I wanted like low mileage, and 15K was like about the right price for at that time. I got it like 2 years ago, and so I just pulled the trigger and I bought it. Fucking best purchase I ever made in my life. You know, my Z makes me happy, and it's gonna continue to make me happy. So yeah, lit. Hey yo, serious question though, like who's hooked on Bang, man? I'm fucking hooked on him. I've had like once every day. Bangs are like my go-to right now, man. It used to be Monster, but like I left that shit, so now I'm on Bang. Fucking good, man. I usually drink one before going to work out. I don't know, I like it. And let me know like who's hooked on Bang too. All comments down below. I'm trying to see who's on that shit. But I am going to the gym right now, so yeah, that's what I'm drinking on right now. Bitch. So I just got to the gym. I'm chilling outside here drinking my Bang, you know, trying to finish this bitch. But got a few questions here. Someone said, how come you don't daily vlog? Well, the reason why I don't daily vlog is because I work 8 hours every day. And when I'm off, I usually plan a video to do. Like today I'm off, so I'm trying to do a video, trying to be consistent. But like my life ain't that fucking like interesting. I literally just go to work, gym, and like hang out with the homies. That's like rare too. But yeah, I don't see a point of vlogging if all I do is just work, which I can't vlog while working, obviously. And gym, I don't know if you guys are interested in gym vlogs, but if you guys are, let me know. I might just fucking send it and do it. But yeah, but when I can, I do vlog, like on my days off. Like I said, that's like the only days I can. But yeah, when's the next vid dropping, fam? Like right now, this video is dropping. What advice can you give about getting a Z? Well, first of all, in my opinion, always try to get an HR, because I've had a DE before, and that shit's slow and consumes hella oil, and it wasn't a fun ride. I mean, if you're trying to just fuck around with the car, like drift and like beat the shit out of it, yeah, get a DE and like not race. I'm just trying to like boost it, but I don't know, I wouldn't boost a DE. But yeah, like I would, like if I would like choose a Z again, I would go in HR low mileage and make sure it's the right price and in good conditions, not salvage. But yeah, I'd always go with an HR. I would never go back to DE or buy a DE. How much do I make a month? I don't know if I should say this. But let's just say enough buying car parts. There you go. I ain't rich either. I work my fucking ass off. I literally work like at least 50 hours a week, like at least. But yeah, whenever I get a chance to like put in an extra day, I always do it. Like, I don't do shit anyways at fucking house. I'd rather be working than, you know, being at my house lazy as fuck. And that's OT for me. I get paid double, so fuck it. Alright, let's go to the gym. I'm getting hyped up right now. Fuck, I'm tired. Dude, I did spend like 2 hours in the gym. For those who go to the gym, let me know how much you guys stay at the gym, like working out. I usually stay about an hour and a half to 2. But that's if I'm feeling like good, you know. But if I'm feeling like shit and I'm not into my workout, I'll probably just like 30 minutes. But today I spent like 2 fucking hours at the gym and fucking good at the workout, man. Right now I'm just gonna go to Chipotle and get myself a bowl and drink my pre-workout. I mean, drink my protein shake. And yeah, I'm still keep answering questions. I'm answering one right now. How reliable are Z's? Well, I know most of you guys always watch my videos, and I beat the shit out of my car, and till this day it's not tuned, and it's been running lean or rich. But I went back to my stock cat, so it's like back to how it is OEM. But the Z's still running good, and I beat the shit out of it, and it's still strong as fuck. So that should answer your question. When are you getting tuned? Well, I'm in the plans right now. I just need to get my shit ready, you know, because I still gotta pay bills and shit. But like, I'm fucking 95% I'll get it done March. I can be spitting fucking flames and get all the hoes. Just kidding. Your car is sick as fuck, bro. Thanks, bro. Shit. Literally spent all my money on my car. I'm broke as fuck. So it better be fucking sick. When are you gonna upload on YouTube again? It makes me mad. Like I said, you know, I do work a 9 to 5. It's hard to like keep uploading consistent, but I'm trying, you know, I'm trying. But if you guys have any like ideas, challenges, whatever, please let me know. It's hard to be consistent because, you know, I don't want to bore you guys with the same fucking shit. That's the reason why I don't upload. But I always like, when I'm working, I'm always thinking like videos to do. And when I'm off, I try to like do the videos, but most of the time I don't like it, so I don't upload it. That's another reason. I'm hungry as fuck, so I'm gonna get in my bowl and I'll answer more questions when I get my food, because I'm hungry. I'm hangry right now. Bruh, bomb as fuck. Shit's fucking bomb, dude. I get brown rice, black beans, chicken, guac, and lettuce. Motherfucking bomb, dude. Get that shit out. Damn, I got bags like a motherfucker. Alright. Take the shit out. But let's continue with the fucking questions. I think I'm gonna do like 2 more for you guys and then end the motherfucking video. Alright, someone asked me on IG and they said, where am I from? I am from Monterey, California. From the 831. Nothing cool out here. Hella boring. What kind of clutch are you on? I am on my stock clutch. I'm planning on getting a new one, stage 3. And yeah, because my shit's slipping right now and I hate it. That's the reason why I haven't got tuned, because I want to get my fucking clutch in, put on, and then I'll get tuned. What's the fastest you've gone in your Z? Well, in my HR I've gone like 150, and in my other car, the DE I had, I went 160, and that shit was fucking scary, cause like one little bump, you know, that could fuck you up big time. You could be dead. What shifter do you have? I am currently running the Mishimoto shift knob. It's weighted, so yeah. How do you like your stereo? The stereo I have is JVC. It's pretty cool. I bought it for 200 bucks. It's nothing cool, but it does its job. The main reason why I got it is because, you know, it was Bluetooth. Alright guys, so the day has come. I said fuck it, and I went to go ahead and do it. I've been planning this for a very long time. You know, I've fucking made hella prototypes of this shit, and I finally came to the ones that I like, and I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna like them. If you guys are interested, go to my IG and send me a DM saying you want to cop them. But I made stickers for you guys of like my Z that I had. There are like cartoon made, so if you guys are interested, you know, just slide in my DMs. I got like a few, like probably like 15 of them, cause I'm just literally testing water, see how like you guys react. But if you guys, you know, buy them, you know, I'll just make more. It's no big deal. But you know, just hit me up on my IG. I'll leave it somewhere here in the screen for you guys. But yeah, hopefully they're really dope too. Like, they're cartoon style made, and I think they're fucking sick. They're fucking lit, and they're not that big either, like size of my hand. Yeah, so you can literally just slap them on like your phone, computer, whatever. And if you guys do end up buying them, you know, just send me a picture and I'll post it on my story or something. That'd be lit. And I have them on my regular, not cartoon made. I have the regular kinds. So if you guys want the cartoon or the regular one, just let me know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and you know, comment down below whatever. Yeah.